Oil. Oil is the lifeblood of any motorcycle engine. It lubricates and protects your engine and its critical components from wear and damage. Regular oil changes will keep your engine clean. If you're not changing your oil at proper intervals, sludge will begin to build up. Ew, it's like really gross. Changing your oil and filters on a timely basis will prevent buildup and remove any unwanted debris from your engine. This will also prevent engine seizure and overheating, especially in air-cooled engines. Failure to change your oil at recommended intervals could lead to expensive repairs. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil and filter change intervals, as well as for the type of oil you should use. Modern conventional and synthetic oils are designed in labs to specifications that will endure the harsh environment of your motorcycle engine. They are engineered to be resistant to viscosity and thermal breakdown. Aside from the recommended oil and correct filter for your motorcycle, you'll need a drain pan, a funnel, 17 and 8mm sockets, and a 5mm hex bit or Allen wrench. And of course, your Kawasaki Z125 Pro. First, remove the lower cowl by using a 5mm hex wrench to unscrew the 4 mounting screws, 2 on each side. With the drain pan under your engine, use the 17mm socket to remove the oil plug and drain the oil. Let it flow. Use the 8mm socket to remove both screws to the filter housing. It's really easy, just unscrew them out and pull them out. Just unscrew them and pull them out. It should be no problem at all. Like, oh, come on. Oh, really? Okay, there you go. Inside you will find the cartridge filter. Remove it. Apply a small amount of new oil on the new filtered gasket. Yeah, grease that baby up. Take note of the spring inside the cartridge and line up the gasket of the new filter to the oil discharge hole. Screw the filter housing back in. Replace the drain plug washer with a new one. Generally, OEM oil change kits will contain one. Otherwise, flip the old one over and use it. Tighten the drain plug to the manufacturer's torque specifications found in your owner's manual. I'm using the torque wrench in my elbow. Remove the oil-filled plug. Using the funnel, pour in 1 quart of oil. The recommended amount for the Z125 Pro. Do not overfill. Hand tighten the filled plug back into place. Reinstall the lower cowling. Now that's an epic oil change. You've taken an important step in maintaining the health of your motorcycle. It is now ready to take you on your next adventure, so it can return the favor.